Welcome boys and girls to 7427 Camwood Street here in lovely Mira Mesa, San Diego, California. I want to take you guys to a home tour here. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath, 1,200 square foot single level home. This was built in 1989 and it has been wonderfully remodeled. Let's go inside and take a look. As soon as you walk in, one of the very first things you notice are the luxury vinyl plank floors throughout. And what I love is this house has consistent flooring throughout. This place was recently remodeled top to bottom. You can see it's fully staged. We got neutral colors everywhere. This place feels super comfortable, very neutral, just exactly what we like to see with a brand new listing. I know this is tastefully done because this property's been on market for 29 days at this point, and it's had 74,000 views online, which is phenomenal for a property. Now, the only issue that we have with this property is it's only 2 bedrooms. The space that you're in right now is an addition to the property that at some point seems like it may have been used for a bedroom, or it could be used for a bedroom again. And if it were up to me, I would probably turn that back into a bedroom. That way it can appeal to a wider base of folks. But right now, as it stands, this is essentially just an extra living room or a great room or sitting room, however you want to look at it. Next, I'll take you into the kitchen and show you the upgrades over there. All right, so here we're in the kitchen. This is a smaller kitchen than you probably are used to, but for a 1,200 square foot property, this is pretty much on par. What we have here is a separate kitchen from the living room. I know in the last 10 years, the open kitchen concept has been really popular, but in this case, it makes a lot more sense, in my opinion, to keep these closed off. What we have here are brand new countertops, or not countertops, but cabinets, and they look really good, but if you look closely, these countertops, they look like marble, but they're not. They're actually just a composite countertop. So they're a little bit cheaper, but they are pretty durable. Got stainless steel sink, stainless steel range, and stainless steel hood. We don't have a refrigerator in here because this is a flip. Typically, you'll get your own refrigerator. Now, just about everything here was done. We've got new lights in the place. The floors look great. The paint looks great, but the windows were not upgraded throughout. So we still have the single pane windows here. Not the biggest deal, but they do let a lot of heat in. From here, let's go check out the bedrooms. Okay, so this is a 1,200 square foot property. So the layout is super simple. With only 1,200 square feet, you can't really afford to have a complicated maze of a layout. So right off the kitchen, you got the main hallway right here. And this is kind of like a grand junction. You have a laundry room over here to the left, which takes you out to the garage. Super common to see that. Over this way, you've got a common bathroom, and it's a full bath. Shower, tub, vanity, and toilet, of course. And then behind me, you've got your 2 bedrooms. Off to the side here is just the guest bedroom. And it's rather small. All it has in there is a closet. And then over here, we have the master bedroom. What I like about this one is it's a small bedroom, but it's got an absolute ton of closet space. When you have a space this small, that's exactly what you're gonna need. Over here, we got the bathroom, the master bath. It's also pretty small, but it's got everything you need as well. So back here, we got a nice big patio slab. We don't have a cover or anything, but if we did have a pergola here, it would really elevate things. We got a decent little yard, fully fenced in. And the favorite thing I have to say about this spot is we've got nothing but blue skies around us. We're kind of high up on the hill, if you will, so it's wide open views all the way around. And at my level, at 6 foot, you can see kind of some mountaintops as you go around the landscape here. Like I said before, we are in Mira Mesa, San Diego, California. One of the things about Mira Mesa that makes this place so great is you've got a lot of detached homes, a lot of family cloisters like this, residential developments throughout. And it's really close to Miramar. So if you get stationed on Miramar, or Marine Corps Air Station Miramar, super quick drive, and then you got everything in town at Mira Mesa that you could possibly imagine. You got food, shopping, super close to the freeways and all that good stuff. Mira Mesa is a hot spot. It's a super high demand area always, even small units like this. This one's coming in at just over $1 million, which for a 2 bedroom is crazy. But people love it. Resale is really strong here. If you're gonna get stationed here in San Diego, especially over at Miramar, give me a shout. I'd be happy to take you around the neighborhood and show you what it's all about. I'm Matt Honeycutt with Home Free Realty. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next episode. See ya.